And they're very painful.
Wow.
And the only thing that has actually worked is this straw. So I'm gonna drink it now.
Please let it work.
No hiccups.
Wow.
That's crazy. Anything that solves a medical problem that really bothers people in one way or the other and has the science to back it up is a good thing. This will become part of everybody's medicine cabinet, guaranteed. Yeah.
This doctor has finally solved the hiccup problem. When I was a kid, my mom would always say, hold your breath if you have hiccups, and that never really worked. This hiccup straw is clinically proven and has an impressive 92% effectiveness rate. So I linked it on TikTok Shop on the link below. It's on sale.